Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tip how you can effectively modify the graphical representation of your grids in your views. As you can see here, I have 5 levels and they have all the same grids, and the definition and the position of the grids is the same in all of the views. But let's say that I need to modify these, so I will go in here and add some elbows to my grids, and I would move this one grid to be different one, let's say like this. And now what I need to do is to make the grid's appearance in these views to look the same. I could go and do this manually again, but as you can imagine, it is really time consuming, and if you have large projects with many grids, this can take a substantial portion of your time. So there is actually one function in Revit which lets you do this automatically, and that is that if I select all of my grids that I want to propagate and go with this propagate extents, and I will now select to show only the views with the same scale as the current view. And now here I see all of the views which I can select, and I want to select my level 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I would go with my floor plan level 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now if I hit OK, you can see that the extents of these grids were automatically propagated between the views. So I do not need to do this manually, and I can do this automatically. So as you can imagine, it can save you a lot of time when working with grids in your Revit projects.